Hello students, so today we will continue lesson 1 number system. In the last class we have studied about the conversion of the one number system into the other. Now today we will learn the binary addition, binary subtraction and multiplication and division. So how we add two binary numbers. Okay. So what are the techniques used to add two binary numbers inside the computer, that we will study here. So the binary digits are zeros and 1. See what will the result will be there. So the 1 plus 1. So if you are adding two binary bit 1, so 1 plus 1 in the binary you will get 1 0. 1 plus 1 gives you what? 1 0. So we write only 0 and 1 will go to the carry. Means we write only 0 and 1 will go carry. So 1 plus 1 gives you what? 1 0. So we write only one digit, one bit we write 0 and 1 will go to the carry. So 1 0 here in the binary, but in decimal its value will be what? 2. 1 plus 1 gives you 2. So this is the binary in decimal. This is the binary, but in decimal the value of 1 0 is what? 2. In decimal number system the value of 1 0 is 2. Now 1 plus 0. If you add 1 plus 0 you will get the 1 only. If you add 0 plus 1 then also you will get the 1 only. If you add 0 plus 0 means both the bit is 0, low, you will get 0 only. Okay. So that is the binary addition. Now we will take some example and we perform the binary addition. So we are going to take the number 101 and in that we want to add 111. These two binary numbers I have taken. Now see, we will find what will be their sum. We have to add these two binary numbers. So in every number system we do addition from the right, because the rightmost digit is the least significant digit, its value is least. So we add from the right. 1 plus 1 gives you what? 1 0. See, 1 plus 1 gives 1 0, but what we write only one digit and 1 will go carry. 1 will go carry. See, this 1 is sent carry. So I got 1 plus 1 is 1 0, but we write the least significant bit here and the most significant bit in 1 0. 0 is the least significant bit LSB and 1 is the most significant bit MSB. So MSB goes carry and least significant bit we write at the bottom. Now see, 1 plus 0 gives 1, 1 plus 0 gives 1, again 1 plus 1 gives 1 0. So I will write 0, again 1 will go carry. Here you see, 1 plus 1 gives you 1 0 and 1 0 means here 1 plus 1 gives 2 and 2 plus 1 gives 3. So here you got 3. So what we write here? See, 1 plus 1 in binary 3 is written like 1 1. So the decimal equivalent of this binary 1 1 is what? 3. In decimal number system it is 3. So if you want to write 3 in the binary, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. So 3 in binary is written as 1 1. Okay, means 1 plus 1 gives you what? See, the sum of these two bit. 1 plus 1 gives you 1 0 and again when you add 1 to this 1 0, see what you are going to get? 0 plus 1 1 and 1 plus nothing, that is 1 1. So here what you get? 1 1. Means 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. Now 3 in binary is written as 1 1. So here we write what? 1 1. Another way we can also do, 1 plus 1 gives you 1 0, that sum you write it here. Now in that sum 1 plus 1 1 0 you have to add 1. So 1 0 add 1 plus 1. So here when we added 0 plus 1 gives you 1. See, 0 plus 1 gives you 1 and 1 plus nothing, that is means 0. 1 plus 0 gives you 1. So 1 1 we get. Okay, like this we have to do the binary addition. Now we can take any other example also. Suppose this time we are taking 1 0 0 1 and in that we are going to add 1 0 1 0. Now see what will be their sum. How we add these two binary number. Again 1 plus 0 gives you 1, 0 plus 1 gives you 1. See, 0 plus 1 gives you 1, 0 plus 0 gives you 0, 1 plus 1 gives you 1 0. So the sum of these two binary number is 1 0 0 1 1. Like this we have to write. Okay. So now we do the binary subtraction. This is the binary addition. Like this we do the binary addition. Now we move to the next concept, binary subtraction. That how we do the binary subtraction. Now binary subtraction. How we subtract the binary numbers? So in this binary subtraction, see what are the rules used in the binary subtraction? 0 minus 0. If you subtract 0 from 0, you will get the 0 only. 1 minus 0, you will get 1. But from 0 minus 1, how you subtract? From 0 minus 1, if you want to subtract, so again we have to take the borrow. So see how, if you borrow 1 from any other binary number, it will become 10, and 10 minus 1, that is the here 0, 1, 10, it will become 10, that is 1 0, and the decimal equivalent of 1 0 is 2. So 2 minus 1 gives you what? 1. From 0 if you subtract 1, you will get the 1 only in the subtraction. Now we take some example. Here a binary number is there. From this we have to subtract 1 0 1 0. 1 0 1 0. We are going to subtract these two binary numbers. Now see how we do the subtraction in this. 1 minus 0 gives you what? 1. See, from 1 if you subtract 0, you will get 1 only. 1 minus 1. If you subtract from 1 minus 1, you will get the 0 only. 1 minus 1 gives 0. So here will be 0. Now 1 minus 0 gives you what? 1. 1 minus 1 gives you what? 0. This is the binary. Another example we take. Suppose 1 1 0 0. From this we are going to subtract 0 0 1 1. This we are going to subtract. This binary number we are going to subtract. Now see, from 0 1 cannot be subtracted. So to subtract 0 from 1 we have to take borrow. So we take borrow from here. We ask borrow from this, but this don't have any. It is also 0, so it cannot borrow. So to this 0 only can borrow if this 0 will borrow 1 from this 1. So if you ask borrow from this, so 1 will give borrow. Now it will become what? 1 0. It will become 1 0 and it will become 0. Now from 1 0, that is the value is what? 2. 1 0 means 2. Now from 2 it will give 1 to this number. It will become 1 0. That is the 2. And from 2 it will give 1 to this number. It will become 1. Now see, that is 1 0 means 1 0 means its value is 2. So 2 minus 1. If you subtract from 1 0 1, you will get here what? 1. So the decimal equivalent of this 1 0 is what? 2. So from 2 if you subtract 1, you will get the 1 only. Now 1 minus 1 gives you 0. Now here 0 minus 0 0. Now here 1 minus 0 gives you what? 1. Now for the verification we can see what will be the decimal equivalent of this 1100. Here the number we have taken 1100. Okay. 1100 and we have subtracted 001, that is 1 1, and the result we got 1 0 0 1. Now see the decimal equivalent of 1100. The decimal equivalent of 1100, its position value is 0 1 2 3. So 2 to the power 2 gives 4. And 2 to the power 3 gives 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So the decimal equivalent of 110 is what? 12 in decimal number system. So when you convert this binary into decimal, you will get 110, equivalent value in the decimal will be 12. Now 11 is 3. So 12 minus 3 gives you what the result? 9. Now see, what is the decimal equivalent of this 1001, 1001? Positional value it was 0 to the power 0 gives you what? 1. 0, 1, 2, 3 to the power 3 gives you 8. So 8 plus 1 gives you what? 9. See, both the result answers are same. That is verified. Okay, like this we have to do the subtraction. This is the difficult one I have given you. Okay. So this is all for the today, students. In the next class we will study about the binary multiplication and binary division. So thank you for your kind attention.